Hi, I'm Ramin Rezaie, and this is my FaderPro production course. There's lots of people out there that can cut audio and process audio and know how to mix down. To have that kind of like level of like hearing and like the sounds you can hear and how you can quickly pick up an equalizer and like mold sounds, that's what you're going to gain from my course. It's almost like a raw way of producing, like it almost like hip-hop-esque house production. I'm using drum machines, I'm using hardware, but then like how I cut audio is really raw and like stripped back. But then like my processing and like equalizing, I treat that as a very important factor of my production. So if you want to improve your mix downs, improve your processing, and improve your like studio flow, so you're more productive in like a shorter space of time. You just want to kind of like compress everything and concentrate on the important factors on your production. That's what I'm trying to show you guys. I want your production to be faster, tighter, and ready for record labels.